Can you hear that? Yeah, and I've got the dead cat on. The wind right now, can you see that? In case you can't, it's gusting at 57 miles an hour and constant 23-mile-an-hour winds. It's crazy. If the wind is blowing this way, let me show you, and it's hitting the Phantom this way, it can easily rock over the legs and throw it on the side, or even flip it completely over. Or if the wind is blowing this way, it'll hit it and flip it over forward. You don't want that. So if the wind is blowing this way, do yourself a favor and turn the Phantom to the side so it can hit it this way. It's harder for it to get knocked over in the wind. That's the first thing you want to do. The second thing you want to do is wait until the gusts die down before you take off, because if you take off in the midst of a gust, it's harder to control. So like right now it's gusting. As soon as it stops, the wind is hitting this way, we should be fine. There you go. Now, simple as that. Just in case you didn't know, now you know from experience and flying in all kinds of weather. All right guys, let's get this Phantom set up. If you're flying with a Phantom, guys, parabolics, don't leave home without them. Take my word. They do help. They do help. When taking off in high wind, flip your drone to sports mode. All right, let's do this. Quick and easy, sports mode. Jam it, get it off the ground before the wind takes it over.
This is a Mav mount, a 1/4 inch, 20 thread
bolt,
standard American bolt. And it fits right into the Mav mount down here.
Ah, okay. Got it.
The Mav mount had its other thing, and I took that off. It was a big thing, and it had its own mount.
The switch between the Phantom and the Mavic.
It's simply this. I pull this off. Okay, I move it over to the same controller on the Phantom.
Ah, so the Phantom already has this mounted as ready.
This one as well.
So then that's a quick mount that you can switch between the two. Correct. You got to buy duplicate parts, right? Of the same.
Two of these.
Right.
And I put one on the Mav mount, so it goes in here.
Right.
All right.
And that
the Mav mount, because this is metal. This is solid.
Got it. And that gives you speed.
Correct.
Got it. We're ready. Oh, that Phantom's moving around. The guys who say the Phantom can handle the wind better, I don't know. This Mavic's pretty impressive right now.
Oh, your Phantom went up again.
Up, went up. I missed that, but it went up.
Mavic, here we go.
Both going down a little bit. They're both going down. They're both going down. They're both going down. There you go. Mavic went up a little bit. They're both doing okay.
Yeah, they keep saying braking, move 60 cents. That's how good.
Oh, all right. I don't want to get hit. Oh. Okay, Mavic dropped a little bit. Oh, Phantom's gone down. Look at the Phantom, look at the Phantom.
Oh, no.
Phantom's like a little jittery bug over there. Alright, you want to bring him down? Bring him down a little bit to line him up. There we go. I'm going to go around, move around both, hopefully without getting zonked. Oh, there he is, there he is. Look at him, look at him, look at him dance. Look at him dance. Look at him dance. Look at him dance. Look at that dance, come on. Look at him dance. jittery bugging. He's jittery bugging. Dude, the jitterbug, oh, it looks like he wants to land now. He's like, oh, I'm tired. Meanwhile, the Mavic is just, I don't know, man. Mavic 2, don't let that big size fool you. This little sleek bird doing a pretty damn good job. Up. We got some dancing, we got some dancing. Dancing. In my opinion, guys, from what I've seen, what I've been watching, what you've been watching too, I'll pretty much say I personally think the Mavic is just a teeny bit better. You see for yourself, you take it how you want it. So guys, spare me the details in the comment section saying, oh, the app is not accurate. We all know that, but one thing's for sure, one thing's evident, accurate or not, there's a lot of freaking wind out here.
And they're
okay?
both in the same wind.
And they're both in the same wind, so take it however you want it, but the Mavic does handle the wind a little better. So whoever tells you the Phantom is the guy for the wind, very simple. Tell them, get out of here. Same shit, different day. Get lost. Take your Phantom out of here. I'm just kidding. I love both drones, but it is what it is. And I've been hearing this stuff about the Phantom is so much better in the wind. Bullshit. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you. Roof is blowing off. I'm gonna fly the Phantom. Where is it? Where are you? Phantom. There you go. I'm gonna take the Phantom over there and see if I can see the top blowing off without getting hit. Be right back. Excellent. And as always, you take off sideways, so you land sideways, alright? Don't land straight. You're gonna get toppled over.